Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install the XPS Viewer in Windows 10. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into it, and we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Type in Settings, or alternatively you can select the gear icon on the left side. Best match should come back with Settings, so go ahead and left click on that. Select the Apps tile. Select Apps and Features on the left side if that's not your default landing page. And then you want to select Manage Optional Features right here. So go ahead and left click on that. And now you want to scroll down until you find XPS Viewer near the bottom of this list. And you want to just select the Install button. So it says currently uninstall in my case, but if you were looking to install, there should be an option to install. So you just would go ahead and left click on that to install it. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.